So we are here in Max Restaurant in SM Crescent. We're going to eat here. So you can see their cakes. We don't eat that, but it's okay. Their breads. Their pastry. So over there, that's their counter. Wow, there's a lots of cake in here. And there he is. This is their menu. So we order
We ordered the chicken.
here, that chicken. Family chicken.
We ordered a whole family chicken.
That's what we order, and 10 eggs. Yes. Yan. So, we are here. Ang gaganda ng staff dito. Ang babait pa. Hi. Thank you. So, hi Kuya.
Welcome to your vlog.
Kuya Noel. Yes. Yeah, disciples of Tao. We're here to eat the chicken and an egg. Yeah, we are carnivore. Yeah.
My manager.
Oh.
Where's Mr. Nut?
Hi.
Hi to your vlog. Everybody come on, let's go!
Okay, so here's our order, the whole chicken. And the eggs. 10 eggs and whole chicken. Thank you. What's your name, anak? Ralph. Thank you, Ralph.
Yeah, this is the first one.